The 1947 Chrysler Saratoga Zippo Car was a unique promotional vehicle created by the Zippo Manufacturing Company of Bradford, Pennsylvania. In 1947, Zippo purchased a 1947 Chrysler Saratoga for $2,048 and commissioned the Gardner Display Company of Pittsburgh to transform it into a replica of their iconic windproof lighters. The car featured two large lighters extending above the roof, complete with removable neon flames. The lids could snap shut for travel, and the word Zippo was painted on the side in 24-karat gold. The total cost of the transformation was $25,000. The Zippo car was a significant part of Zippo's post-war advertising campaign. Throughout the late 1940s and early 1950s, it traveled across all 48 contiguous states, participating in special events, trade expos, fairs, and parades. The car was equipped with a public address system, a radio, and a tape recorder that played music, making it a popular attraction. However, the weight of the lighters caused frequent tire blowouts and other maintenance issues. The car was sent to a dealership in Pittsburgh for repairs, but the high cost led to the project being put on hold indefinitely. The car remained at the dealership for many years. In the early 1970s, Zippo's founder, George Grant Blaisdell, attempted to retrieve the car, but found that the dealership had gone out of business, and the car's fate remains unknown. In 1996, Zippo purchased a gray 1947 Chrysler New Yorker and spent 18 months and $250,000 restoring it to create a new Zippo car. This version included twin 5-foot removable fiberglass frames, electric windows, a 250-horsepower 350 cubic inch Chevrolet small block V8 engine, and a heavy-duty suspension system. The new Zippo car began touring the United States in 1998, participating in parades, car shows, and corporate events. It has visited numerous famous landmarks, including Mount Rushmore, the St. Louis Arch, and the Grand Canyon. When not on the road, the Zippo car resides at the Zippo and Case Museum in Bradford, Pennsylvania. The car continues to symbolize Zippo's classic message of style, quality, and dependability.